Hello, my name is Makumbu Malukisa, and this is my attitude reflection presentation. What is attitude? According to SEBA 2012, attitude is generally considered to be summary evaluation reactions of target, including dimensions such as good, bad, harmful, beneficially, likable, unlikable. Basically, attitude is everything. Attitude changed throughout the day. Overall reflection. My attitude do change throughout the day. Looking at figure 2 kind of illustrate how my day normally goes. Start off great, and as the day go on through the sometimes event happen that changes that. So your day may start great, and then things happen that turns it to a bad day. So what I do is I always say to myself that everything is going to be alright. I will find a resolution to any situation, or someone somewhere has it worse than me right now. So the way of thinking this way has a major impact on my attitude and emotional outlook. I'm always composed. At least I think I am. I always believe that I'm composed when a stress situation that changes my attitude comes along. Why attitude does or does not change? Research also suggests that people differ with regard to whether they emphasize effective information or connective information when forming an attitude. My attitude is based on how I was raised, my belief, culture. Definitely, I do get frustrated, I get irritated. Some situation just, really either discourage you or changes your attitude throughout the whole day. But what I tend to do is I tend not to show my emotion. I mostly keep it hidden while I search for a solution. So just like figure 3, if you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. Don't complain. Be happy. This is kind of the way I see things. So I was doing the research online, and I came across this this diagram here, which was very interesting, because the first thing that drew me to it was the top one, where they're talking about adjustment function. I was like, wow, that's really that's me, because what I do is I always adjust to any situation. I always tell myself I can adapt to any condition, situation. My attitude don't change. Oh, it does change, but I don't show it. But I always try to go, like, you want to go to different countries, try to not to be so much of try to fit in and do things they do, so they can accept me, so I can incorporate myself in the socially. Also, another thing that caught my attention was ego defensive function, which is we see a lot of that, especially in the military. A lot of people have a attitude that they don't want to change, because it's just that's it's just that the way they are. They don't want to either accept that they're wrong or something or stuff like that. So this was really pretty interesting reading this. So what the scriptures say in reference to attitude. I always believe that everyone should, be grateful, and then believe that they are blessed. Be thankful and grateful. Gratitude is the best attitude. I actually have this sign in my office. The textbook state that over and over again, Scripture admonish us from a negative attitude to every manner of evil that separate us from God and one another, including pride, arrogance, injustice. The scripture that really caught my attention was this one, and especially the end part of it, where they're talking about whether it's lovely, whether it's commendable, if there's any excellence, if there's anything worth of praise. Think about these things. So the way I look at it is basically kind of the way I think is whatever's going on negative, anything that can make your day worse than it is, as long as you're thinking positive and you looking for solution to make it better. I think your attitude might change, but for the positive, you're always looking for the solution instead of just kind of have a bad attitude and they don't want to do anything anymore. So that will conclude my presentation. These are the references that I use, and thank you.